Welcome back to the DIY Auto channel. I'm Jeff with All Around Auto Techs, working on a 2003 Toyota Camry with a 4-cylinder, doing the belt tensioner and the belt same time, making a noise. I'm going to give you guys a quick tip. First of all, you're going to have to take this off. It's got 2 tins, which is right in there. Gives you access. You're also going to take this nut off here, but you don't you can take it off, but don't let this come above here, because what you're going to do is you're going to jack under the oil pan so that this can be lifted up. You'll also take out the torque strut, which goes here and here, so that it can go up. And then what's going to have to happen is that bolt there, I had to get a 14 ratchet wrench, and you had to get to it from the bottom, but don't go too far out or your ratchet wrench is going to get stuck. Then you got to do it by hand, or just the open end side of the wrench right there to get it the rest of the way. Twist it with your fingers, and then in order to fish it out, it's going to have to come like so. This right here. So this side has to come out first, and then this side will be the last side to come out, and just comes straight through here with the bolt. And when you put it back in, you're gonna have to do the same thing. Put the bolt through here, fish it through the same way, like so, and viola. That's your quick tip. If you like this tip, please like and subscribe, share with others. This is Jeff, All Around Auto Tech, signing out.